my channel. I'm so excited. I have my first Trendmood unboxing. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video and its content, a thumbs up if you like it, and please tap the notification button so that you can get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. So, as I said, I got distracted a little bit. Trendmood is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's always sold out by the time I've ordered it. This is the fourth edition of it. And if you don't hop on the bandwagon and order it right away, again, it is sold out. I've seen it on other YouTubers' videos, and it looks like it's got pretty nice items in it. So let's get into it. This was $58, including shipping, and it's been out on quarantine, so I'm very behind in my videos as always. You open it up, it's got really pretty tissue paper. And I have been watching so many videos. Of course, you know, we're quarantined at home and everybody has different things that they do. And I've been watching cooking videos, lifestyle videos, what people have been doing to keep busy videos. And I've been able to FaceTime with my kids in Germany and Chicago. So it's been kind of fun. And I don't know, I don't see a card in here, but, oh, wait. There's a card, but it doesn't look like it has the items that are in the box. But it looks like there's a code, a promo code, Trendmood15, if you want to purchase this item. So let's get into it. It had a lot of eyeshadow palettes and fun items in there. So the first thing I am taking out is Bite Beauty. And you know, my eyes are they're still bad. And I need my hair done in such a bad way. It's terrible. I apologize. And I'm not sure what this is, and it's by Bite. This is the packaging. God, it's just so small. That's what it looks like. I'm just not sure what it is, if it's a rubber packaging. Give me a second. It looks like it's a primer. I don't know if it's a line and define. Oh, it's a lip primer. I never would have guessed that. Base, contour, and this is a lip primer. I do have some lipstick on, so I can't try it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So I guess that's what you put on before your lipstick. So that's really unique. I haven't received one of these. So that's nice. The next thing is Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30. So that is nice. By First Aid Beauty. And I know I've gotten First Aid Beauty in other boxes before. So that's what that looks like. And shake well before use. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. And is this for your face or all over body? So it says a sheer tint. So I'm thinking this you put on your face when you go out in the sun which we have plenty of here. So this is really nice. So again, this box was close to $60. So I know this is a good value. And then we got poppies. And there looks like 3. And I'm thinking they're eyeshadow palettes. So let's check it. All right, I got my scissors here. So what have you guys been cooking a lot of? I know you must have your favorite dishes by now that you're practicing. Oh, hold on one moment. Sorry about that. I know I have my washing machine going on. It seems like since we're home, I do more washing than I ever have, and I just don't understand why. I think it's I wash the sheets more, I wash the towels. This is by Pure, and it's the Trolls World Tour. Ooh, how fun is that? Now this is a purple case, so I wonder if we have purple shadows in here. So let's see. Since I'm not getting my nails done, I'm not getting my hair done, it's almost like I don't feel like putting on eye makeup. Am I just being lazy? Do you guys feel that way? Oh my goodness, the Trolls is giving me a hard time. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful case. Look at that case. Wow, let me cover this up. Those are the colors. Those are absolutely beautiful. And, oh my God, it does. It smells like chocolate. I could just take a chunk out of this palette. So those are really pretty colors. So, again, look at the case. Look at how thick it is. So I'm enjoying that one. The next one is yellow. So I'm wondering if they're all yellow. Now I'm not normally a yellow person when it comes to clothing or eyes. And of course I'm torturing the box as I normally do. And here's the case. Okay, I was wrong. They're not yellow. And those are absolutely beautiful. And they do also smell like chocolate. I'm trying not to get a glare, but I would definitely use these colors. Wow. These are keepers. And the last one is the blue. Guess I was lucky that this isn't sold out. And I noticed when I checked to see how much I paid for it, and that the 4 was sold out, that they're coming out with a 5. So I'm kind of anxious to see. I have to decide if I want to get the 5. But there is the case. Oh wow. And there's a mirror with all these, and this one of course smells like chocolate. What do you think of those colors? These are really pretty. Okay. So far we got the 3 palettes, the sunscreen, and the lippy. That is worth the price, but we're not done. And we got by Bite Agave Intensive Lip Mask. I really want to take care of your lips, so that's awesome. And that's what the lip mask looks like. So I will definitely use that. I wish they had a card in here. Of course, I'm not done, so there could be one in here. Then we all skin types, Cora Organics AHA Resurfacing Serum. So you can never have too many serums. Ooh, what a pretty packaging. So that's the serum. It's got a pump. And so I'm not sure directions, and of course they're very small. It goes on your face, and there are instructions in there if this is once a day or twice a day. So I will check that out. But again, very nice packaging. So it does include quite the skincare. Oh! Is a naked troll. I did get a purple-headed naked troll. I don't know, in one box. I have him over there in a dish. I had him on top of the candle holder, and then Vicky from West Coast Week, she's like, is that a troll in the background? So I put him in my little dish with my gems, and so now he's got a body. You can't have too many naked trolls. Okay. Oh, I'm finding some cards. Okay, there's a card. Much Love, Miranda. I won't read it, but it's a card. And this is about the, it is a resurfacing serum, and it is for night. And then it has a card about the lip mask and the line lip primer. So those come together. So we are getting to know a little bit more about what's in this box. So that is great. And like, we didn't have enough products, a palette. So I think this is an awesome box. Now I haven't tried on the eyeshadows, and I will, but they give you everything. And this is the Drama Queen, the Unboring Highlight Palette. So that's nice. I'm like, oh, another eye palette? But it's a highlight palette. So let's see what's in there. So what do you think of this? As I said, it's always sold out. I mean, it sells out probably within a day after they post that they have them in. And I think it was Karen McCarthy. She had gotten a Trendmood box, and it was all skincare. And I was kind of bummed I missed out on that one. But this one is really nice because it's a combination of both. This one has a mirror. Wow. Let's see if I could put a card. Now look at those, Drama Queen. Those are really nice colors, and really great highlighters in there. So what do you think of those? And oh, here's the box. And it's got the colors on the back. So what we got in this box, again, it was $58. We got these beautiful highlighting colors. We got the serum, and what's nice is it's got the card that tells you what to do with it. And we got we got the sunscreen. Ooh, I grabbed Naked Troll. And these palettes, these colors, I absolutely love. I think they're all usable colors. And we got the lip mask with the lip primer. And then again, here is where you can get 15% off of the highlighter palette. And of course, Naked Troll. So again, leave comments. Let me know what you thought of it. I will leave a link below. As I said, I know they're coming out with the 5th edition, but this goes super, super quick. And I think you have to order it every time. They don't automatically send you this box. I'll have to do some more checking into it. So try this again. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and we'll talk to you soon.